Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll answer the question if the Boba Fett is in the game. Jedi Survivor's best cameo is the iconic bounty hunter Boba Fett, but players can play entire game and never see him. The reason Boba Fett's cameo can be easily missed is that it is hidden behind a series of side missions as a part of Kaji Vanda's bounty hunter quest, which tasks Cal with hunting down and eliminating 16 bounty hunters across the galaxy. So yes, the Boba Fett is in the game in a cameo. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.